Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mint hookah flavor at home. First, gather your essential ingredients: fresh mint leaves, food-grade glycerin, and molasses. Make sure your mint is thoroughly washed and completely dry to ensure the best flavor. You'll also need a neutral base, such as unflavored tobacco or an herbal alternative, to carry the minty goodness effectively. Now, let's prepare the mint. Finely chop about 20 grams of your fresh mint leaves. The finer the chop, the more flavor will be released. Next, combine the chopped mint with 30 milliliters of food-grade glycerin in a bowl. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of molasses to this mixture, ensuring everything is well incorporated. This sticky sweetness helps bind the flavors. It's time to bring it all together. Combine your prepared mint mixture with 50 grams of your chosen base tobacco or herbal blend. Mix everything thoroughly until the mint and liquids are evenly distributed throughout the base. Then, transfer your homemade flavor into an airtight container. Let it infuse for at least 24 hours. This crucial step allows the flavors to meld perfectly. Your homemade mint hookah flavor is now ready to enjoy. Simply pack your hookah bowl as you normally would, ensuring a good airflow. Light your coals and prepare for a wonderfully refreshing and cool smoking experience. For an even better ambience, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's the perfect way to set the mood while you relax.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.